I'm Andy Goode of andrewgoode.tv, and I'd like to welcome you to my green screen studio here in Hamble. If your website needs a promotional video and you're also in need of up-to-date headshots for LinkedIn, Facebook or Twitter, then this workshop is definitely for you. Each day-long workshop gives you the opportunity to shoot a short video, typically of you to camera in my green screen studio, explaining your business offering, products and services to your potential clients. Whilst I'm editing the first draft of your video, Stephen File of Zooming Photography takes your first set of headshots in the studio. At around lunchtime, we review the first video edit and the initial set of headshots. Now, you then get the opportunity to alter the scripts on the auto cue and decide perhaps on a change of clothing for your headshots. So, by reviewing and reshooting in the afternoon, you've already improved the quality of the video and stills and have a working product by the time the workshop ends. Now, this is a unique and valuable aspect of the session. But please don't take my word for it. Here's what the participants have had to say.
Actually, the workshop, I think, is a brilliant thing for someone to do, regardless of where they are in their business journey. It adds a very professional look to your business, for your website, for your LinkedIn, YouTube. It's a really good opportunity, to learn some new skills, but actually to come out of it with a really, really useful product. And Andy's been amazing at kind of thinking of different concepts to put in the videos, which really bring it alive. So yeah, it's been amazing.
It's been a great day and I would well recommend it. What you get to come away with is brilliant. It's very professional, it's very well done. And also, it's been really good to meet other people that have been doing it and understanding what their businesses are, and there's been some really good chat about the business and quite a bit of banter as well, so all good.
For each video, I create a bespoke introductory title sequence based upon your logo, like these ones here. In addition, I also supply archive stills and video to further enhance your video. And all these assets are included in the cost of the workshop. So what has stood out for those who've attended the workshop?
I think for me the standout thing is it's actually been the encouragement from you guys, and because that's been relaxed, I've actually been able to be more playful with myself and go, actually, does this outfit work? Does this stance work? Does this work? You haven't got the time pressures you'd normally have when you're hiring a studio for video, so I'm not trying to knock them out really quickly, I'm trying to get them out good, and that's been a real big one for me.
For people who want to stand out from the crowd, actually going away with something they can use. We can use this video on Monday. We can put it on our website. We can put it on Facebook. We can, plaster it everywhere. And I think that's a really great thing to do. So we're not waiting for 2-3 weeks for something that you then look at it and think, oh, what can I improve? We were actually improving it as we go.
Oh, it's been great. It's been really interesting. We've all been networking and exchanging ideas, and to actually have your audience potentially in the room as well when you're shooting a video, to get immediate feedback was, I think, very beneficial, because obviously we were able to go away and make live edits there and then. Critique worked it. I even got Cheryl editing some of my script for me. So it's been great.
So there you have it, an intense and productive workshop. The next one is scheduled for this date, and if you'd like to know more, please contact me via email or phone, and many thanks for watching.